unbelievable thing. All the laws, the contents, the 48 laws of power. Robert Greene. Penguin books. One day when I'm gonna be doing my book, I really hope that it gets accepted by Penguin and they become my publishers. So Penguin, I'm also counting on you, and I'm also counting on my effort for my 30-second video to success. Book by book, move by move, let us keep raising the bar in pages and in practice. You get surprises, and I also got one surprise, one of my very good acquaintance, and I think he's going to be my friend now because professionally he used to be before me in my current organization in almost a similar role. Zishan found out that I am fond of books and I'm doing some book reviews. He sent me something. Looks like a book. Let's have a look at that and see. We have a room and an opportunity to have another book review, but I don't know the book yet, but it looks like a book. All right. Thank you. This is a gift, and I also got this last month, 2 months back. So let me just open this and see what do we have for here. All right, so 48. I have not heard about this book before, and it seems to be a note. Dear Yuji, Eid Mubarak. Thought I would send across this collector's edition of 48 Laws of Power. You may already have it or know it well, but some books earn their place more than once, especially in the hands of someone curating knowledge with intent. Felt like the right fit for your shelf, a small gesture from someone who has walked a few similar paths and still learning every day. Read with Yuji is a meaningful addition to a fast-paced world that rarely pauses to reflect. As Joost Elfer writes, power is not what you do, it is what others think you are capable of. Here is to the sharpening both perception and reality. Book by book, move by move, let us keep raising the bar in pages and in practice. Warm regards, Ziku. Zishan Qureshi. Zishan, this is such a lovely gesture. Nobody ever did this to me, sending me a book as a gift. I think this is very precious. No, I don't have this book. I vaguely remember about this book, but this is a collector's edition and I'm sure I'm gonna love it. Thank you so much for adding this unbelievably beautifully wrapped book with the golden collector's edition. I'm not aware of all these delicacies. So thank you so much. This looks like unbelievable thing. All the laws, the contents, the 48 laws of power. Robert Greene. Penguin books. One day when I'm gonna be doing my book, I really hope that it gets accepted by Penguin and they become my publishers. So Penguin, I'm also counting on you, and I'm also counting on my effort for my 30-second video to success. This is by far one of the best gifts I've got. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna put this in the list of Read with Yuji, and I'm sure you're gonna like it. Thank you so very, very much. Nobody, not from my family, has ever gifted me a book. My daughter did give me a book, so those who have seen the previous video, don't hold me accountable for that, please. My daughter is making a video. Mera bacha, you gave me the book. You are family. You are part of me. This is ZQ, who is not even a family, and we meet very occasionally at social gatherings, common friends, and he's such a kind person, and I'm extremely thankful to him that he is not a family, and we are not very, very close friends. We are acquaintance, and he still cares for me. Thank you so much. That's why I'm saying nobody ever gifted me a book from outside. He's one of those, so I should be very, very thankful. And by the way, the book is collector's edition. This is even better.